What is going on, knife community? Check this bad boy out. Got the Barlow, green apple, bone, peach seed jig. I told you, I'm getting every knife in this color, man. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I'm going to be showing off a little more than just this knife. Look at that, no gaps at all. I think they fixed that issue a couple years ago. I'm loving this. In the bolster, the double X. Cool. I got no complaints about this knife. Once again, Smoky Mountain Knife Works. 5 dots. I believe that's 2025. I can't see that. Hey, USA 62009.5 SS. I don't know what the half sign means. Like I said, I'm somewhat new. Well, I'm definitely new to collecting case knives. But, yeah, I don't know what the half sign means. So, write down in the comments what that means. I always like finding out from somebody rather than using my phone to look it up. As you can see, I gotta oil it up as usual with this blade. There's really no walk and talk when you close it. I love that 90-degree half stop though. There you go. Alright. Enough with that real quick. So I went to a yard sale yesterday with my mom. And bam, I found this juice Leatherman CS4. My first Leatherman I ever picked up. It's not bad, man. It's in absolutely perfect condition. Absolutely perfect. I looked it up. This little guy goes for $80 to $100. Got it at the flea market for it's just stable. Thought that was a spring hanging off or something. Yeah, got it at the flea market for $5. Picked up this vintage miniature tiny rip handsaw. It's a salesman sample. It's all cast iron. It was bent to crap, so I had to bend it back. But I love stuff like this, man. Old school, vintage stuff. Like, look how cool that is. It's tiny. Awesome. Had to get this. This is from Spain. Thought that was pretty cool. That moves, and then ready for this. Bam! Does the smoke come out? And then the best, my mom found this. I was with my mom at the flea market, and I'll tell you what, I'm gonna go to the flea market every time with my mom. She has a god-darn good eye for knives. She found every gosh darn knife at the flea market before I did when we walked up to somebody. Found this Barlow Imperial. It needs some love. Definitely needs some love. So this blade, hold on a second. Yeah, this blade got some wobble, so these are actually really easy to take off. They got these little clips on the inside right there that you just bend up and pop off. So I'm gonna put it in a vise, clamp it, and see if that fixes the blade play, because this is pretty cool. don't know if you can see it. Imperial Barlow, New York, USA, Rhode Island. Carbon steel. Plastic. Still cool though. I got this, and the saw for $7. Can't beat that. But yeah, man, that's about it. That's all I got for today. Again, though, man. Oh, one more thing. I forget who the guy is that made this book. That I seen the video on YouTube and I thought it was really cool because I actually did something like this myself, but I just wrote all this stuff down on a piece of paper. Oh, there it is. Duh, slip joint guy. Alright, well, thank you, slip joint guy. I seen it and yeah, just had to show some support and grab it. Got it off Amazon. I think it was $10. Can't beat that, man. So cool. So cool. So, thanks again, man. Alright, I hope everyone has a good Sunday. Good Sunday morning. Peace out.